Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reader and signing in. Use a web app if you want cross-device sync. Once done, gather feed URLs or click the site's RSS icon and paste into the reader's add field. Add 3-5 feeds right away so you see behavior. Make basic folders or tags, news, blogs, tech, so new items land where you expect. This immediate organization prevents overload and shows how the reader fetches, groups, and updates content in real time. Now you refine how content flows. Set rules that auto-tag or prioritize items containing keywords or from certain sites. You'll want folders for quick triage and a starred or saved list for later reading. This turns a fire hose into a curated stream. Make sure to tune update intervals and whether items mark read on open or scroll. Once those behaviors match your rhythm, you'll spend less time managing feeds and more time consuming only the content that matters. Finally, adopt reading habits. Use keyboard shortcuts, save for later, and switch to text-only mode for long articles. Make a periodic OPML export so you can backup or migrate subscriptions easily. Ensure your devices sync. Confirm account sign-in and background refresh permissions. If a feed stops updating, check the feed URL first, then verify the site hasn't changed its feed endpoint or block the reader. Re-add the feed or clear cache, and force a refresh to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.